Mupirocin Ointment is a topical antibiotic useful against superficial skin infections such as impetigo or folliculitis. Now indication and dose of mupirocin. 1. Bacterial skin infections, particularly those caused by gram-positive organisms except pseudomonal infection. Child dose of mupirocin. Apply up to 3 times a day for up to 10 days. Adult dose of mupirocin. Apply up to 3 times a day for up to 10 days. Second use of mupirocin. Non-bullous impetigo in patients who are not systemically unwell or at high risk of complications. Child dose of mupirocin. Apply 3 times a day for 5-7 days. Adult dose of mupirocin. Apply 3 times a day for 5-7 days. Side effects of mupirocin ointment. Skin reactions. In renal impairment patient use of mupirocin. Avoid using ointment in moderate to severe impairment when absorption of large quantities may occur. Contains polyethylene glycol which is excreted renally. Mupirocin not recommended for use in children under 1 year. Mupirocin use in pregnancy. It is category B and is recommended for use during pregnancy. Who should not use mupirocin? Large areas of burned or damaged skin, stomach or intestine problems such as colitis, an unusual or allergic reaction to mupirocin, other medications, foods, dyes, or preservatives. Medical uses of mupirocin. Mupirocin is used as a topical treatment for bacterial skin infections, for example, furuncle, impetigo, open wounds, which are typically due to infection by Staphylococcus aureus or Streptococcus pyogenes. It is also useful in the treatment of superficial methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus MRSA infections. Thanks for watching.